Hello, everyone. We're gonna start here in a little bit. Just let me make sure that everything's work fine here. Okay, so today we're gonna go through the market. See if you have any trading opportunity here, and I want to show you guys how to trade supply and demand. I don't know if you guys know about Fibonacci or supply and demand, but this is the way that I trade for many years, and I wanna show you a little bit, how I trade. So let's start. A lot of people like to do like top-down analysis. I prefer to take one time frame at a time and then see where is the market. There's more potential to move to that direction. So first, I like to analyze the 4 hour, the H4 time frame, like the Euro SED. I wrote this was in an upswing, a Fibonacci up movement, and then the market retraced to 23%. I don't like check trade like this one here. I prefer when the market retraces a little bit more to 50%, 61. Even better if the market come all the way back to 74, 86%. So on this trade here, I was waiting for the market to retrace to the 786, but it didn't, and it went straight to the profit target. Anything that will retrace to the red lines that you can see here, gonna go to the red line on top. If the market retrace to the blue line, it's gonna go to the blue line on top of that. If it retrace to the green line, go all the way to the green line, and then if the market retrace all the way to the A, you call this as A, B, and then the C, it's the retracement. And then if the market decided to retrace all the way back here, and then the market gonna go to the black line over here. Right? And then supply and demand, you just mark on a chart, all those majors supply and demand levels. As you can see here, at some point the market, respect this a little bit, drop, and then broke, those two supply zone that was on top of here, and then the market went up to the 16.8%, and then the market retraced back where it was supply became a support. Okay, and let's take a look here on the GBP USD. So on this market, so we have an A, B, the market's an uptrend on a H4 time frame, and then the market retrace all the way back to the 74% of retracement, and this one was a very good trade. If you place an order here, put a stop loss few pips below the A, you are in a very high profit right now. And then the market went up and find a supply zone here, retrace a little bit, but I think this gonna break this supply, and this is my gonna go to the target here, 1.3156. We'll see if the market decided to come back here. You have to break this low, and then this one here, and then we have a good it's not a good demand, but there's a chance that the market might gonna stop around this price point. You have to wait and see it. But what am I gonna do? I don't want to trade. I don't trade when the market it's between the black line here and then the less red line. I prefer if the market come all the way back like it did here, and then there is more chance to win. So we have to be patient. I have a lot of pending order here, as you can. That is the open position, and then have all those pending order. I'm gonna close out this order because I want to show you something later on. Remove all. Yeah, and then we're gonna start with some trades. So as you go through the market, if you see any any opportunity, you're gonna take the trade. Let's take a look here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So US dollar Japanese yen might be a good trade to take. This is a supply zone. The market already retrace. A, B market retrace to 50%. I don't like to use the 23. Let me remove that. I don't like to use that line. So I just like the 32, the 50, and the 61, and then the 74 and 86. So yeah, I think on Japanese yen, I'm gonna take this trade. Let me see how much is my risk here. So it's gonna be 220 pips. Okay, let's take this trade. Let's take this trade here. We're gonna sell market price. Stop loss is gonna be 221 pips, and then take a profit. Let's put a 350 pips. So let's place this trade. So if you go back, so you're gonna see, and now what is it? This trade, the one that we just placed it, and all this trade that I place on this platform here goes to my social trade. Where I have like I have two signal accounts here. When is Darwin X, you probably know what is Darwin X is, and then I have another account, Pepperstone, where I send signal to another accounts. So if you take a look here on the Darwin X, I mean up about 6%. Not a huge drawdown. I think the maximum drawdown that I have on this account here is just I believe it's below 1%, so almost nothing. 6% on the Darwin X. I mean, if you can make like 1%, 2%, per month, it's great. So it's doing pretty good this month. And then every trade that I place here is gonna go direct to my trade signal, and then from the trade copier, I'm gonna send to all those accounts that I trade. Um, so this is US dollar Japanese yen, and let's take a look on USD CHF. So as you can see, this market USD CHF for our trend is bearish. Look to sell on any pullback. Okay, so the market's downtrend on H4 time frame. The only reason that I don't wanna. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the only reason that I don't want to check this trade, it's because if you take a look here on the 4 hour, on the daily, the market went down, and then it's looks like the mark, it's might be a retrace or might be a trend reversal. I mean, a little bit skeptical about take like on a sell trade. I'm gonna hold on this trade for now. So I'm gonna pass on this trade. If the market decided to come all the way back, I'm probably gonna check this trade over here. But for now, I just pass on. USD, AUD, USD. So this market, it's on a sideway on a daily time frame. You see market goes up, come back down, goes up, come back down. Now it's in the process to go up again. So we have like a supply zone here. Am I gonna put some pending order? Let's put some pending order here. Let me see. Let me see. There is two zone, close to each other. In this case, I just put my stop loss on the top of the second zone. Let me see the risk. So the risk is gonna be 48. I'm gonna give another, 5 pips. 48 plus 5 is gonna be 53. Let's risk 53 pips. Pending sell. It's gonna be 53 pips. Stop loss, and let's go for two to one. Let's see. We're gonna risk one to make two. So it's gonna be 100. Let's put 100 pips. Take a profit. We're not gonna use trailing stop. Let's place the trade. So the trade is here. And let's do another one. Let's do another one here. So that is 35, 35, to 40 pips. Let's put a 40 pip stop loss on this trade. I'm gonna do like a pending order, stop loss, non-trading stop. 40, let's put a 42 pips stop loss and take a profit. Let's put always I try to make 2 times more than risk. If I risk like 42 pips, at least I need to win at least 60 pips out of it, because if not, on long term, I'm not gonna be profitable. So in this case, let's put here, let's put a 85. It's gonna be two times of the risk, so 85 pips. Let's place this trade. It's a pending order. Have to make sure that it's pending. We don't want to do any market order. And then as you can see, go back to the trade. You're gonna see that you have like the sell, one sell order here, and we have another sell order here. It's the same order that you just placed over there. And then it's not gonna copy from down in X. I'm this So this software gonna send the trade to the trade copper on another account, and then this account gonna send the trade to Darwin X and to in the other accounts that I trade. So that is that. Let's pass on. So here the market's downtrend on H4 time frame, and then the market retraced to 86%. I took this trade. I believe I took this trade around here, and then make profit here. So right now I don't want to do anything. Uh, the market already retraced. There is a chance that this market gonna come back all the way down here. If you take a look on the daily time frame, might gonna give you some different thoughts, but the daily it's a downtrend as well. The market sideways, uh, goes to resistance, come to support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and then on the daily it's on sideways movements, and then here on an H4 it's on a downtrend um, trend. So we're not gonna do anything here. We're gonna wait if the market gonna retest this. I'm gonna wait to see if the market come all the way back. If does, I probably gonna check this trade to the south side. I'm gonna check some short trade, but for now we're gonna pass on this one. Let's do USD CAD. I already have two trades on USD CAD. It's up trend on H4. The market went up and then retraced to 61%. If the market come all the way back here to 74% retracement, I think I'm gonna check another trade. But for now, I'm gonna keep this two that I already have. Stop loss for this trade, it's down here. So what I put it here. Let's move this a little bit to reduce model risk. I don't want to risk a lot. Always have to make sure that you're not go on a lot of drawdown. If you trade for some prop firms or Darwin X, I mean Darwin X, you don't have probably drawdown of 10%, 12%, but if you try to get allocation with them, mm, more than 8% of drawdown, it's not good reputation. So it's better to keep below 5%. So that's why I like to trade check um small trades. I don't trade anything big on a Darwin X, but I place a lot of trades, and most of them it's 70 to 80% chance to win, because I'm not deal with anything here in the mirror. I wait for retracement. If the market retrace, I take the trade. If not, I'm gonna pass on the trade and see. So this one here, the market already retraced to 61%. I took it. Stop loss, for this two position is there. So USD CAD and another one. What is it? USD CAD. So it's here. Nothing that I can do on H4 right now. We're gonna move to 15 minutes later to see if we can find more trades. But for now, let's just pass on. GBP AUD. So we are on a sell trade here. The market's on downtrend. There's a chance that this market can retrace all the way back. Maybe at least to 50% Fibonacci retracement. And then if does, I'm gonna take another trade here. And then if the market decided to go back a little bit more, gonna hit my stop loss. I'm not gonna move this. This is gonna stay. And then I'm gonna take another trade here, and then maybe put the stop loss. The ideal place for stop loss is gonna be, above the A, B, C. C is gonna be the retracement. So I don't want to put on my stop anywhere in any one of this place here. So the better place for the stop loss is gonna be on top of this high, but the risk is it's a lot. So this is a 194. 2000 is gonna be like 600 600 pips stop loss. So the risk is too big. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna wait. If the market come down before the retracement, I'm probably gonna check this trade. Let's put a pending order here. First, let me see the risk. So the risk, it's 56 pips. So let's put this trade. We're gonna do buy 56, stop loss. Let's put a 100 pips. Take profit. Check out the trailing stop. It's gonna be buy limit. So, and then I'm gonna show you this GBP AUD. So here you're gonna see, as soon as I place this trade, you're gonna see that it's gonna pop it up here. Just a moment. So let's place this. I don't think it's gonna be able to see it, but show you. Is this one here that I just placed? Price 19. What is this? Yeah, if the market come back now to 1.9169, we're gonna get in on the trade. If not, just gonna wait and see. So for now, I'm not gonna place any more trades on this pair. I'm gonna wait till not tomorrow. I don't think nothing gonna change tomorrow. Uh, but let's see. If the market comes up, I will sell. If the market comes down to this demand zone, I'll place one trade here. If this doesn't work well, gotta stop out. I'm gonna place another order, and then see Euro AUD. So this came back. This came back to this. So this supply zone, it's not valid anymore because it's violated. Respect this supply zone yesterday, and the market came back down. So let me place some order here. So the risk is gonna be, if I take the trade here, 170 pips. So 170 pips, but there is another. Let me show you. There is another, demand zone here. I don't wanna just put my stop loss just below this A, and then the market come a little bit more, hit my stop loss and go up. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take this trade, but I'm gonna risk a little bit more. So the risk is gonna be um 200 pips. So let's place a trade for 200 pips. It's gonna be buy. Stop loss. It's gonna be buy. This trade you're gonna place as market order because I want to get in right now. At this exactly price. So the stop loss is gonna be 200 pips. Take a profit. Let's do 350 pips. We can do 1 to 1 on this trade. Uh, I like to do a little bit more. Let's do 250 pips. Take profit. Let's place the trade. Okay. So the trade it's in. Stop loss. Take profit. That's good. We're not gonna touch this trade, for the next few days. Let's move to GBP CAD. We are on a sell trade. We sold on a 61% of Fibonacci, and then the market retraced a little bit, and then came back up, broke this high, and then the market's on the retracement zone. So if the market goes back here, it's gonna be much better. We're gonna trade another trade as a pending order. Let's put a pending. Let's sell limit, stop loss, no trading stop. Let's stop loss 200 pips. Take a profit 400 pips on this trade. It's gonna be pending. Okay, so if the market comes here, we're gonna get in, and then they stop loss all 200 pips. Let's see, it's a lot. We don't need to risk that much. So if you get in on this trade, let's see, 100, 200 pips. Let's reduce the risk a little bit because this is the A, B. So I'm gonna bring this down, more close to this high. Okay. So that is the stop loss, and this is the take profit. Because if the market decided to come to the 74% retracement, the market, there is a high chance that you come all the way down here to this blue line. Like I told you in the beginning, wherever retrace to the red line, gonna go straight to the red line as a take profit. If you retrace to the blue line, gonna go to the blue, to trace to the green, goes to the green, and retrace to the black line. It's gonna come just to the B. So A, B, C. C is the retracement, and then the expansion, or how you call expansion, Fibonacci expansion. Um, so we have one position on this pair, and then if the market goes up a little bit, we're gonna get in on a second trade. For now, we're gonna live as that. GBP, okay, GBP, JPY. So it broke this supply zone. See, the market went sideways for a little bit and then broke one big candle. But we have, this supply zone here, and it's a very strong one. So I think I'm gonna take a trade on this one as market price. I'm gonna sell this, put a stop loss 200 pips as well, please. Okay, let me fix this. I'll put 190 pips, 190 pips, 200. Let's put we're gonna sell at market price. Place it. Okay. So here the stop, the risk is gonna be 192 pips, and then take a profit will be, what is it, 250 250 pips. So it's good. um let's look at EuroCAD. The trend is up. A, B, C. The market retrace didn't hit the 74. So I took this trade here. I believe was on Tuesday, and then I risk about, I don't know, 200 150 pips. Let's say 49. It's 50, 48. Yeah, it was about 120 pips of risk, and then the profit target was about 100 pips. So this is was a win trade. Right now, I don't want to get involved with this. For me to get involved in this trade, I have to do two things. One, come back, to the lowest point of retracement. Here can be the 74 or the 86 or even the zero. So it's uh, A, B, and then if the market retrace all the way inside of this box. I don't know if you guys pay attention, but ever a Fibonacci swing, I draw a supply and demand, zone on this section here. Pretty much this is where I check, all my trades. Sometimes I check, a little bit here, but when I want to be a little bit more aggressive, I like to check trades, between the blue line and the black line here. Okay. So in this case, we're gonna wait to see it. We have two demand zone close to each other. So let's see. Let's pass on this one here. We're not gonna do anything for now. So Euro GBP. So it's an up swing. The market just broke this demand zone. Let's see what's going on. Was a good zone. The market respect one time, two times, twice, and then the market went up, came back, and broke. So right now, even if this zone work, for me, it's not valid anymore because I already violated. I mean, if the candle breaks the zone at least for one pip, for me it's violated. So it doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna wait to see if the market comes. Okay, so here there's a chance that this market gonna move to the upside. The risk is not a lot. Let's see, 27 pips. I'm willing to risk 27 pips to make 50 pips. Let's take this trade. We're gonna do a marking order, market price, stop loss. Um, was 30 pips risk. Let's make 50 pips take profit. So yeah, I'm gonna place the trade right now. So no, we sold. We did it wrong. Let's change that. Let's delete this. We're gonna delete this trade. We're gonna lose this the we're gonna lose the spread, just the spread. But I placed the wrong the order wrong. We're supposed to buy and it was sold. Let's fix this. What is it? Bang. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so let's correct this. It's gonna be a buy market order. Gonna buy at this price. Stop loss is gonna be 30 pips. Take profit 50 pips, please. No, something wrong here. Okay, stop loss. Okay, good. Buy. What is it? 30 pips. Buy. Okay, good. So that Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen, you have a downswing. We have we have um, B, and this we don't know if this is the C yet because it didn't hit the profit target. So this you have to figure out. It's where's gonna be the C. You think it's gonna be the 61, the 74, the 86. We don't know, but let's assume that the retracement is gonna stop at here, the 61. So this might be um, might be the C, and then this is gonna be the D. So A, B. What is the C? The C. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So okay, so yeah, let's wait to see if it's gonna play out. I don't think it's gonna happen a lot tomorrow. Friday. Let's see. So AB is that. Let's take a look on NEZD, JPY. Same thing. You're gonna get more on Japanese yen trade because we already have orders on USD, JPY, Euro, JPY. So if we take another trade, we're just gonna increase the risk. So on this, let's wait to see if come back to the 74, and then if does, we're gonna trade, or we can do. I was thinking about placing pending order, but I'm gonna pass on this just because I just gonna increase the risk. AUD, JPY, same thing. You have this supply zone here, and then you have another one over there. So for either one, if I check this trade, I can place my stop loss just above this high. So the risk is gonna be 35. Let's do this. Let's risk 35 pips. We're gonna sell a market price. Stop loss is gonna be 30 pips. Take profit 50. Let's place sell. No. Let's see. Stop loss. Take profit. Okay. Place. Okay. So Orders there. AUD, Euro, GBP, GBP, JPY, Euro, AUD. So let's get more trades. Maybe we can do maybe 12 or 15 more trades. I don't like to pass, more than um more than like three, standard lots is gonna be 30 trades. So I can put up trades until 30 of small lots, like a mini lot. So I can put like 30 of those. It's gonna be three standard lots. So we still have a lot of work to do, because there's a lot of trades that need to goes in, and this goes pretty much every day. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be 20. Yeah, you can place, another 10 trades. Let's do this together. So is that CAD JPY. So broke. You see the market now stay on sideways mode. Broke the supply zone. This not good no more. And then now we have this supply zone as well. Let me just move my stop loss few pips above this high. It's too close, to the high here. Um, let's see how much is the risk here. 80, 81 pips. Um, 81. Now, not gonna check this trade just because I already have a lot of trades on the Japanese. So just gonna avoid this for now. Um, Euro, Euro NZD. So broke this supply, kind of respect, but violator. So in this case, not work for me anymore. And then you have this supply zone. Um, the market's on upswing on a H4, A, B, C. So this is, we don't know if it's the C yet, because didn't hit the target. But this market can go all the way up to the green light. It doesn't look like it's gonna do this. I think this is gonna break the low here, but let's see. I'm gonna pass on this trade for now. Mm, I'm not interested on take this one. AUD. So H4 trend is up. Price already retraced to 86%. Look to buy on a pullback. So A, B, what is it? Oh, okay. I was talking about this one here. You see it? A, B, C. So don't look at this right now. Look back here. So A, B, C, the market retraced to 86%, and then retrace to the green line, and then the target was on the green line here. So the market, did was supposed to do it. So retrace and then went up. Now, now this is not valid anymore. And then we have right now a new upswing, and then we have all this. So we have this retracement zones here and supply and demand zones here as well. So right now I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna wait. If the market retrace, already retraced to 32%, and then there's a chance that the market can go up to 1.1147. Now let's see if the market goes there. I probably gonna put some sell limit order just above this resistance, and then there's a chance that the market break the high, take all those stops, and then I want to get in with my sell order. And if the market do the other way, if comes back down, I'll place a buy limit order here. Let's do this now. Let's say how many how many pips you have to risk. 70 pips. Okay, let's do this. Let's risk 70 pips. It's gonna be a pending order. It's gonna be buy limit. Buy limit. We're gonna risk 70. Take profit 140 two times 2 to 1. Remove trading stop. I don't wanna use trading stop right now. Place order. Pending buy. Go. Okay. So that AUD, CAD, AUD CAD. So it's in up swing. A, B, C. There is a chance that the market gonna hit, the D extension. So I'm gonna pass on this for now. Maybe can get something on the lower time frame, maybe an hour, H1 or 15 minutes. But I'm gonna pass on this for now. Say BTC, it's moving down, so the trend is down on H4. The market already retraced to 61%, and then there is a chance that this market can come all the way back to 36,000. So the market came back to 62. It didn't have the power to break this high. The market, broke this low, and then broke this low, broke this low, and then went up. It didn't break the resistance, came down and break this low here. Okay, it looks like that on the market. It's on a downtrend on a 4 hour time frame. I'm not gonna take any trade on this right now. If I would, I should be in the trade already because it's already retraced to the 61. So let's see if the market goes up again, maybe test this resistance point. You're gonna take one trade here. If the market goes up to 65, and then you're gonna take another trade as a sell trade. But today you're not gonna do anything on this asset. Let's move on. GBP NZD. So this is on a downtrend on H4. The market retraced to 61%. It looks like that gonna come all the way down here. 213 to 206. About over 600 pips, uh, potential. Okay, let's see. Daily, we are on a upswing. Then the market find a resistance at the here. Let's see what do we have. We don't have anything over there. Uh, 218, 213. Let's say 4 hour. Already retrace. So if I get in right now, it's gonna be late because the market already move it. I should take this trade right here. Um, I'm gonna pass on the 4 hour time frame on this trade. Maybe can get some trade on the lower time frame, maybe later tonight or tomorrow morning. Um, Euro CHF. So the Euro CHF is it's the same thing as the USD CHF. You know, even know that this it's on a downtrend. The trend is bearish on a 4 hour, on the daily time frame. You know, on the weekly. If you take a look on the weekly, all the time frame it's downtrend, but it's on downtrend for a long, long time. That's why I think this trend, it's getting to the end, and I think this is gonna be a reversal, trend. So that's why I don't want to sell anything. I have my supply zone here just waiting for me to place and sell order, but I'm afraid to take this trade. The risk, it's almost nothing, but I don't have the feeling that this is gonna be a winning trade. That's why I don't wanna take. I don't wanna take this trade. Not not today. So we have all the futures. I don't know if you guys trade futures. I trade futures. Uh but maybe you get to these futures trades, on another day. So all right. I just want to show you guys how to trade Fibonacci, combined with supply and demand. This is the way I trade for many, many years. Uh, and I just want to show you guys, a little bit how I do, how I place my trades. It's a mix of, pending and market order, trades. So if you like the video, please, help the channel grow a little bit. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay. Thank you very much.